independent woman, some mistake us for gold. I'm saying, why spend mine when I can spend yours? Disagree? Well, that's you, and I'm sorry. I'ma keep playing these cats out like a car. High heel shoes, getting love from the dudes for bad ass chicks from the Moulin Rouge.
Hey, sisters, soul sisters, better get that dough, sisters.
We drink wine with diamonds in the glass by the case, the meaning of expensive taste.
You want an inche, ay, ay.
Come on,
mocha chocolate.
What? Rio Lady Mama. One more time, come on now.
Christina, Pink, Lil' Kim, Maya, Rottweiler baby, Moulin Rouge, oh we back, just a minute here. Come on.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I spent. Pay me back when you shake it again. Dawn all the time with all the shine. You small time, I ball with mine. Lynx, Minx, Bentley, Azor with mine. My jams bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it, blue spots with it. Every continent love when I spit it. Corners the blocks, even the cops feel it. Brothers on lockdown on they cot feeling. It's real in the field, the last Mohican who survived in the streets and did something decent. Now I got plans to buy the whole hood. Legit now, I ain't got a lot of no judge. I make hits now, money I flip now. Hood fella, every honey wanna kiss now. I lit up my neck, pinky and wrist now. So girls everywhere, this how we get down.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice.
Yeah.
Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again. Play to win, girls in the club moving. I get them real hot, my songs seduce them. I flow, I'm so mysterious. Nas and Nasty's the alias. Everything platinum, I glow. Cadillac trucks pulling up to the door. On top, out the car, lounge at the bar. We spin $1,000, we wow, look how rowdy we are. I feel like $1 million. Feel me holler to the max with the Benz and chrome wheel and polish. Thugs and renters to the players and ballers. Sexy mamas, fly ladies looking proper. Look good enough to be taking shopping. Earrings, bracelets, now you rocking. Your body's so nice that I give you this option. Let you wear my big chain if we get it poppin'.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again.
Shackles on your feet. You owe me. I think you owe me some. You owe me. Shackles on your feet. You owe love. I think you owe me some. You owe Timberland. You owe
Lock you down, baby, you know what you owe me. Mac like Goldie, it's the same story. Let you hold something, you spinning it right. Know where you gonna be by the end of the night. Make it bounce, shake it, move it around. Wiggle it a little bit, throw it to the south. Fantasizing, me inside and you riding. Throw it like a stallion, you wearing my medallion.
Jordan, say what's your price?
Say what's your price, baby?
You can hold my eyes.
You can
Now let's say
know.
you owe me something.
You owe me something. Oh, yeah.
This much. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause it ain't
I'm
no
calling
holler
all the
back,
contestants
girl. Ain't no holler back, girl.
Short one
Few times
music.
I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna
all the
happen like
contestants,
that.
come
'Cause
down to the
ain't no
music room,
holler back,
please.
girl. Ain't no holler back, I heard that you were talking, and you didn't think that I would hear it. People hear you talking like that, getting everybody fired up. So I'm ready to attack, gonna lead the pack, gonna get a touchdown, gonna take you out. That's right, put your pom-poms down, getting everybody fired up. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause it ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, girl. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, So that's right, dude, meet me at the bleachers. No principals, no student teachers. Both of us wanna be the winner, but there can only be one. So I'm gonna fight, gonna give it my all, gonna make you fall, gonna suck it to you. That's right, I'm the last one standing, another one bites the dust. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, girl. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, girl.
Leonie, forward to the music room, please. Shauna Lee, forward to the music room, please. Shauna Lee.
You say it's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, girl. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back, girl.
It is star time here at Pier 1. It is Starstruck time. Rock the mic. Semifinals is about to get started. We started off with 10 contestants back in the beginning of October. We're now down to 6. And then there will be 5 going into the finals for next week, Wednesday night, not to be missed. They're vying for 150,000 Jamaican dollars. First prize, second prize, 75,000, and third prize, $25,000. Want to big up our sponsor, Appleton Estate, Signature Blend, and the Reserve. Now, before we get started, I want to say thank you to my judges, because without them, this would not be possible. We've got 5 judges tonight. We're going to start off with the man from Show Jam, the man Paul. He's been doing this with us from the very beginning. Paul, thank you. All right, next we have the man, the Ross with the vibes, Mackie Conscience. All right, new to the judges' table. This is his 3rd week and doing a great job, helped in the selection of the contestants. Rose, I know you have a name, but we really can't say all of that. So let's big up the man Rose. All right. And we've got the man Ruddy G coming to you from the radio and filming the show now. So I'm going to be on TV. All right, Ruddy G and the lone lady in the house, and I love her. Please put your hands together for Miss Claudette Miller from Ebony. All right. Are you ready? You're not ready. Are you ready? Thank you. Our contestants are going to be judged off of the following category: their song choice, their presentation of the song, their voice quality, and the crowd response. Now, just to let you know that crowd response actually carries the least amount of points, 5 points out of the 40 per song, whereas voice quality carries 15, and then it is 10 points for presentation and 10 points for choice. Okay, their song choice. The first category tonight is judge's choice. So the judge chose the song for the contestants to sing in this first round. So here we go. Starting off tonight is a young man with a big voice singing for you, Creep by Radiohead. Please welcome to the stage. Let's start out. Rose chose this song for him. All right, welcome to the stage, Raystar. That's fine? That's fine? Where do you want the music to start from? Here? Okay. He's going on now. When he goes on, no.
One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Microphone check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Microphone check 1, 2. When you were here before, gonna look you in the eye, just like an angel. Your skin makes you cry. You flow like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special, so very special, but I'm a green. I'm a willow. What the hell am I doing here? See, I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want the perfect body, yeah. I want the perfect soul.
Wow. I like that. That was nice. That was nice. Big it up for Ray Star. All right. So, Rose, this was your song.
Good night, everyone. Yes, my song. I think he did a pretty good job. We spoke a few times and rehearsed over the phone via video. He nailed it. The outfit, I didn't know if he was going to wear. He kept that a secret from me, but if the song is Creep and he came out creepy, that's pretty cool. And then I was blown away by the performance and the costume.
Wonderful. All right. Thank you very much. We're just going to be hearing from each of the judges that selected the songs tonight for this part. All right? Thank you very much, Ray Star. Wonderful job. Nice. All right. All right. Contestant number 2 coming to you is Singer Boy Roy. Now, his judge was Paul, and the song Paul chose for him was I Lose Control by Teddy Swims. Put your hands together, everybody. Show him some love.
Something's got a hold of me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Try my best to keep from tearing the skin of my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? You're breaking up all right in front of me. Can't you see I lose control when you're not next to me? You're breaking my heart, baby. You made a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is I want to bite like a feeling like a bad habit. Bad habit, now to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want like boom, 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 black magic, it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm not hiding. And it's really no relief. Your skin to my teeth, can't see the forest through. Got me down on my knees, darling, please. Oh, I lose control when you're
right, put your hands together for singer boy Roy. All right, I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, Paul, this was your artist tonight. So,
good night. I certainly wish the other judges were commenting on the choices. I didn't want to be the one commenting on my artist. Nevertheless, good presentation. The song choice was to test not range but power. I got the range. I did not get a lot of the power, but the presentation was good. Very melodic, and you went for it. So I can appreciate the presentation.
all right, so let's get some feedback. Claudia, why don't you give Paul some feedback on his song for his artist tonight?
Good night, everyone. Yeah, I totally agree. Yes, the voice, the song choice was good, and you delivered it. But like Paul, I have to agree with Paul. We expected a song like this needed more power. You know, you needed to really, really bring out that I lose control. I mean, I was expecting a little bit more from the delivery, but a very good presentation.
All right, thank you so much, my judges. All right, 2 down, 4 to go. Our next contestant is Miss Miller, Claudette Miller's choice, Pretty Empress, and she'll be singing for you Easy on Me by Adele.
Good night, everyone.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our ways. You can't deny how hard I have tried. I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. Go easy on me, baby.
Empress. Miss Miller, we're going to hear from you first.
Oh, yes, Miss Empress. Well, it was a very, very good effort. I just expected you to, I expected a more emotional delivery. You know, you were singing the notes and you delivered, but this song calls for emotion. You understand? And your presentation is good. I just expected more emotion from this song.
Mackie?
I must say, I'm very impressed with what you did already. Very good song choice. You made a good voice quality, of course. You were acting the song pretty well in the beginning. The only thing I see that never you hold on to the microphone unless you are taking it out. Whenever you were taking it, that was fine. But at least when you change your position, you step forward. So I can say excellent performance.
Well done. All right, Pretty Empress, one more time, Pier 1. Good job. All right, we're halfway through the first segment. Our next artist is coming to you from the judge, Mackie Conscience. His song choice is Benny King's Stand By Me. Please put your hands together for Humility.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we've seen, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand, yeah, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon shall stumble and fall, or the mountain shall crumble to the sea, I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand, baby, stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, baby, are you ready for me now?
My. Lord have mercy. I don't know if it's the suit that you come in tonight or the pull back of the hair. I don't know what it is, but you brought it tonight. Yeah, man. From a step out, the crowd was like, whoa, whoa. All right, Mackie, we're going to start off with you. This is your artist tonight.
My brother, I am impressed. I'm impressed. You follow instruction. Firstly, you did not come on the stage and take with evil. You started out with the music like a real professional. Impressive, you act the song, you look at the stars and the sun and the moon, and it was like the presentation, your performance, very impressive, and it is clear. I don't know if it's you being a crowd or the crowd is pleased, but I personally, you have wowed me. Trust me.
Ready.
Humility big up itself, brethren. I don't know if it's working with Mackie, but Mackie put a little something, it's like a diamond in the rough, and him polish you off, brethren. Trust me, it's an amazing performance, and you're right there. You nailed it tonight, my brother.
All right, Humility, thank you very much. You had the crowd tonight. Well done, well done. You're going to be hearing from him again, as well as the other artists. So, we're going to move on with our next singer, contestant number 5. Claudette Miller was her judge with the choice of 1+1 by Beyonce. Please put your hands together for Shauna Lee.
Leonie, you need to tell them they need to be downstairs.
If I ain't got nothing, I got you. If I ain't got nothing, I got something else, but I got you. I don't know much about algebra, but I know 1 + 1 = 2. And it's me and you. That's all we'll have to get us through. 'Cause baby, we ain't got nothing without love. Darling, you've got enough for the both of us. So come on, baby, make love to me. When my day gets low, pull me in close and don't let me go. Make love to me. So when the world's at war, not apart, right now, baby, make love to me. Me. Oh, make love to Hey, I don't know much about guns, but I've been shot by you. Hey, and I don't know when I'm gonna die, but I hope that I die by you. Hey, and I don't know about fighting, but I'm gonna fight for you. Hey, just when I balled up my fist, I realized there's no going back. 'Cause baby, we ain't got nothing but love. Darling, you've got enough for the both of us. So make love to me. When my day gets low, pull me in close and don't let me go. Make love to me. So when the world's at war, let us all heal our hearts. Right now, baby, make love to me. Oh, love to me.
I do not want to be a judge tonight. That's all I gotta say. All right, Miss Miller, you're gonna start off with your critique of your song for your artist.
Miss Shanley, I'm proud of you. You did the song justice, I must say. And we didn't beat. You understand? But you came, you delivered. That little pitchy one and here and there, but it was a very good performance.
Rose?
Without being biased, it was a very good performance. Very good delivery.
Shanley, very good selection. You had some range that you met. You probably had one or two that you didn't meet, which is fine because I saw you like turn your head and then you got right back into it, so you know you recovered well. I think there's so much untapped potential in your voice that I think the sky's the limit if you just work on your confidence and your stage presence. Hands down.
Well done. Thank you, Shanley. Put your hands together for her one more time, everybody. Well done. All right, we have one more to go. One more to go. Last but definitely not least, this is Ruddy G's artist. Giving her the song Teenage Love Affair. Yeah. Please put your hands together for Shooting Star.
Can't wait to get home. Baby, dial your number. Can you pick up the phone? 'Cause I wanna holler. And daydream about you all day in school. Can't concentrate. Wanna hear your voice in my ear. Tell mama, come and say too late. 'Cause the lights are run outside. Wish I was somewhere to hide. 'Cause I just don't want all the things I can't say. Want you to be my first, my last, my ending and beginning, yeah. I pretended me my look, your last and my first. I'm your man, 'cause the lights are run outside. Wish I was somewhere to hide. 'Cause I just don't want to say goodbye. 'Cause you know my baby, baby. Nothing really matters. I don't really care what nobody tell me. I'm gonna be here. It's a matter of extreme importance. My first teenage love affair. Hey boy, you know I really like spending time with you. Just hanging out is fun. So maybe we can go to first base. 'Cause I feel you. Second base, want you to feel me too. Third base, better pump the brakes. Gotta slow down, I gotta go home now. 'Cause the lights are run outside. Wish I was somewhere to hide. 'Cause I just don't want to say goodbye. 'Cause you are my baby. Nothing really matters. I don't really care what nobody tell me.
All right, Shooting Star, ready. Let's hear from you. It's your artist tonight. What did you think she did?
Good night, everyone, again. All right, so Shooting Star, we know where we're working from, and tonight you saw the competition and you worked the song as best as you could. You gave me some surprises, so we know that the challenge that you have is when you go up in those high notes, it gets a little heady, but I think you started out well. But being the competition that you're in tonight, I think you worked that song as best as you could, and we're looking forward to what the other judges have to say about the performance.
All right, Mackie Conscience.
I must congrats, you have a very good voice. The song choice was good. Your presentation could have been better. You could at least use the stage more for connection with your eyes and the audience. And if you're on stage and the hair is blowing over, leave it alone. It's a distraction every time you touch it. Just leave it, or next time don't use that hairstyle if you have a trouble. Alright, but you could just leave it alone and don't worry about it. But you did a good performance, you did, but you could have done better, work harder. But tonight is a good night for everybody.
All right, please put your hands together for Shooting Star. You're going to be hearing from all 6 contestants in the next round where they're going to be doing their reggae selection. But we're going to play some music right now to give the judges the opportunity to tabulate the first round, and then we'll head straight into the second round with the reggae music. Don't forget, folks, this is all about promoting up-and-coming talent in the Montego Bay / western area of Jamaica. We've been doing this competition for years now. Some of our artists have gone on to Rising Star and performing in the hotels, and we're very, very proud of them. So once again, this is called Starstruck Wednesday Rock the Mic competition, and they're vying for $150,000 in cash. Thank you to our sponsor, Appleton Estate, and we'll just see you back in a few moments.
Good times are made for fun, baby. Ladies. Your man is in. Oh, baby. Check it out. There's such a feeling running through my body, running through my mind, and doing things to me. Girl, it makes me wanna love ya. It makes me wanna touch ya. It makes me wanna make sweet love to you all night long. Come on, do you wanna, 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 do you wanna come flex with me? Come on, do you wanna, 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 do you wanna come flex with me?
Give me the wine where you mash up in America. Give me the wine where you mash up in Canada. Give me the wine where you mash